Malacca believed in kampung spirit, where he has all the Chinese and Malays and Indians all living together. He was against Raffles' town plan, where you have all the Chinatown and the Indian town and Malay town separately. So that actually made Raffles angry. The second one is Fatwa introduced gambling and opium, but that actually boosts the economy. So Raffles fired Fatwa and got Crawford to come in to get this thing out. Okay, nevertheless, as time went by, this opium actually brings energy to the workers, particularly the coolies and the rickshaw pullers in Chinatown. So they said that let's have opium again. Yeah, apart from opium giving energy, it also gives you some pleasure.
Yeah, they smoke opium again.
Yes. So this building behind us was once the opium packaging plant. Okay, we do not have any opium producing plant in Singapore. I don't know if there is, but this was once the biggest opium packaging plant in Asia.
Yeah.
So the opium, they get it somewhere in Siam, they got it somewhere in Holland, they got it somewhere in Golden Triangle. Everything came here and they packed it. So they packed opium here since the early 1900s until 1950s. Then they stopped opium. Okay, what you see here, this building here, is the guardhouse. This is the guardhouse. It was the guardhouse guarded by the opium security and perhaps the Gurkha in the later years. But because of the abundance of opium operation here in this area, they call this place Bukit Chandu.
Yep,
Bukit Chandu means opium hill. Okay. Despite of all opium hill, opium factories around here, there is an anti-opium clinic just opposite the Pasir Panjang Food Center. So you see a very nice double-story, neoclassical building. That's the opium clinic. So in case you have taken so much opium and get addicted, you go there and they will cure you.